Hello Mayhem Makers, I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and today I want to show you how to use the Quilters Magic Wand by Studio 180. They have the lovely tucker trimmer tools, the square and the square, all kinds of lovely rulers and patterns to help make our quilty lives easier, especially with those half square triangles, quarter square triangles, I mean, all of those things that sometimes people struggle with, and flying geese, all that. And this is a new tool I just learned about from Deb Calenti. She's one of their educators, and I'm really starting to enjoy it. It is making my half square triangles more precise, which, if you know me, I like to be as precise as possible, but not OCD precise. So none of that, all right, guys? But I love that it is a see-through ruler. It has a line kind of down the middle. We're going to line it up on the points of our square to draw our lines. So I'm going to move this camera so hopefully you can get a better look. Alright, so what we've got going on is the line down the middle is on the points of these squares, and then we're just going to follow the ruler and draw the lines on either side. Now these are going to be your sewing lines, so most of the time when I've shown half square triangles, we've just drawn the one diagonal line, which you could do with this ruler and just follow the edge and match it up. But this is actually giving us our sewing lines, and that's what we're going to follow as we match it up with whatever color fabric we have, and we're going to sew it. And it will give us this result, all right? So I've stitched on both lines there. Just move you up here to me. Then what we'll do, cut right down the middle, point to point, press them, and we get lovely half square triangles that those points are going to be nice, crisp, clean, and match. All right, so yes, you're drawing one extra line than you normally would, but you're not playing that game of trying to follow that line on the edge of your foot and going, is it scant? Is it not? Am I getting too wiggly? All those kinds of things. You're just following that line, and as long as you can stitch on that line, you're going to have two lovely half square triangles ready to trim up and go in your project. So hopefully that helped. You might want to come check out this tool. We have them in the store. We'll gladly give you demos, those kind of things, show you how fun it is. Have a lovely day. Keep on stitching.